how old she is?
I think she's about 90 years old.
I think so. Hi, we have some information about this woman. She is the Queen of England. World War II started when Elizabeth Windsor, now Queen Elizabeth II, was 16 years old. She wanted to help the British Army, so she trained as a mechanic and drove a military lorry.
Did you know Queen Elizabeth travels all over the world, but she hasn't got a passport? All British passports are in the name of the Queen, so she doesn't need one herself. She also doesn't need a driving license.
It's very interesting.
Yeah.
I love the